Morning, folk. You didn't misread the title. R32 videos are back. You heard me?
Yo, Pierre, you wanna come out here?
Yeah, life is like a motherfucking dream. Fill my double cup up with some lean. Yeah, put my dick in your bitch plane. Yeah, rats come.
My life's a calculated risk with ways to get rich. My right hand always got the itch. That's when I learned life's a bitch, and things ain't been the same ever since. Fuck it, you don't like what I have to say? Suck it, wouldn't have it any other way. Mighty stealthy, family and friends healthy. The difference between being rich and being wealthy. Yeah, this is not an act. You could have your own opinions, but not your own facts. Right, power to the people. We are all created equal. Left, right, black, white. Now there's no more symmetry. Hateful misery, evil runs vividly. The world's full of racist and bigotry. It was all so simple. Can it be? Ever sit back, wonder, gazing into the sky? The questions you wanna ask God why? The lessons life goes on anyway. The blessings you gotta live life every day. To my man Bobby Rich, God bless your life. To all my fallen soldiers, God bless your life. I get a funny feeling when I'm gazing out the glass ceiling. When does the pain pass and start healing? Cause tomorrow's not promised, and I'm stressed out to be honest. I need to chill on vacation, but I'm filled with frustration, bills and obligations. I used to wanna rob banks, now I give praise and say thanks. And there's hope for tomorrow, tears of joy drowned out the sorrow. Sometimes life's illogical, odds against you seems improbable. You gotta dodge those obstacles, you gotta do the impossible. And after that, who knows? I live my life in the loopholes. Big dick in the droop nose. The Jewish kid, they don't do those. So it goes, the ball bounces. For 48 grams, 16 ounces. Roll that shit, light that shit, smoke it. Now pass it around, yeah, toke it. I take a L to the face, cause we all make mistakes, but some learn from them, that's the difference. Cause life can change in an instant. You gotta treasure your existence. You gotta live with some significance. See a sucker from a mile away. Have a nice day.
I remember all that. The bridge, nigga, dirty needles.
Dirty
needles. Woo! Bagging up white in the middle of the room. Had me sitting in Elmira in the middle of June. Where I'm from, niggas is fool, lest they pick up a tool. I even got it on me when I pick my kids up from school. Shit, street nigga, so I live the rules. I was skipping school, trying to get a plug on a brick of food. I get them shipped to your living room. One call, I bet they touch down and then why? Just like Victor Cruz. The beef new, but the pistol used. Dipping through, stick it through the window so long, they think it's a broom. It's my town, don't get shit confused. You got it misconstrued, none of us rap tight, we got missing screws. Middle finger to the pigs in blue. I had my young nigga aiming a cig right at your wig and shoot. The street shit too unpredictable, that's why I got my pistol through and wear it to work like it's a business suit. Fuck you niggas chasing if it ain't a bag, waving mags. 20 niggas with me wearing Haitian flags. My homie told me turn the pot down before I break the glass. I'm weighing powder, smoking sour from Jamaica Ave. I watched the whole brick take a bath. I seen a dope boy make biz money and still take a cab. Dope money buried like it's Jimmy Hoffa walking out of Benihana's, Coke on my Balenciagas. A OG will blow your shit off for $50. Half a brick of raw white as Cindy Lauper. I'm in a trap eating fish and lobster. I like the clips, sip the vodka. Black Sopranos, we considered mobsters. Your dope short as Andy Miller knockers. She a hood rat, but soon as I fuck her, she a trending topic. I load the beam if it's any problems. They expect that from you when you coach the team like you Jimmy Johnson. I move like the feds really watching. In New York City shopping, that's what they think, nigga. We really copping. Look, I know what you really copping. You rap the shit, rapping the brick, look like I'm Millie rocking. It take 100 bands to fill these robbers. And knock a rap, trap, stick niggas up. It's way too many options. You hating niggas way too busy watching. That's why it's on me, army jacket to send me fitting in any pocket. Before you learn to win, you gotta handle defeat. Y'all scared? We prepared if guns jam up and beef. We got extra straps, extra clips laying on the seat. My plate full, but that's cool, cause the plan was to eat. Let's go.
Hey yo, you know we been at this shit since we was little, nigga. Been had our foot on these niggas' necks, nigga. Talking crazy to a G and get you hit with the pump. Spray your whip with the street sweep, will leave you bitch niggas slump. Got the 30s in my lap, got the sticks in the trunk. I don't think an issue is really what you bitch niggas want. Got the shooters out lurking on a mission to hunt. 5 in the morning and your bushes had to sniff him a bump to stay on his toes. He coming for the bricks that you pump, or he gon' leave your face twisted from him blinking his gun. I mean, look, I hate rappers, I swear I do. Cause 90% of these niggas sound terrible. Might send shooters to your show just to air at you. The pain from a shell in the stomach is unbearable. Might come to your funeral, shoot your pallbearers too. Cause it's fuck you and them 6 niggas that carried you. Yeah, got the rifle with the scope. I'm the nicest with the flow till I go. I'm comfortable, boy, I'm back at home. Two-tone Mac, black and chrome. Leg shot, shit cracking bone. Facts is known, pussy nigga, I don't act.
So, you seen my video, did a couple things, nothing too crazy, but just part of what's needed, right? So what do we got? We got a new catch can setup, right? And that's because there's a ton of blow by in this motor because the compression's low on cylinders, I think, was it 2 and 5 or some shit. So instead of having it dump out oil out of here and all over the valve covers and getting nasty and getting crazy, we now shoot like that, bam, right into the catch can here and right into the little breather right there. Has a drain at the bottom, so that works. I mean, you've seen the video, you've seen how it got put together. And you saw that I had to put the wheel on and then cut the wheel to make sure that there's not a potential chance of rubbing or anything else, because, you know, you really wouldn't want to snatch one of these against that, yank this whole thing down, yank it, pull it out of the car, next thing you know, you run it over, and you know, whatever your else just fucking yanks out, damages the car, or someone behind you, that kind of shit, that would suck. I made the little bracket where you can't really see it. I didn't make the bracket came with the car here. I mean with the catch can. But with this bracket, you can see here, basically, I just used an existing hole and I just put a little nut in the back side. I was gonna do a nut cert and then put a nut cert in there. However, I have a feeling that I'm probably gonna end up using something on this side of this panel for here. So I'm gonna leave that there for now. And then later on, I'll put a nut cert on there if I'm not gonna use anything else for this little zone here. Now, as far as the coolant goes, the coolant the new little reservoir, got the line going down, popping at the bottom, right here at the top. I forget if these are supposed to be higher than these, but it's down here now, so whatever. But I can always adjust them and like lift it up some more or less. Now this was supposed to actually have a little tiny hole on the top of it, so that way it can vent, as you know, some of these are able to do, but later on I might just drill a little fucking hole in that thing and then, you know what I'm saying, boom, whatever. As far as the coolant goes, I'm 90% sure that head gasket's bad on this motor because this radiator was slapped full of coolant and it's gone and I can't find it anywhere. There's no evidence of it disappearing. I don't smell it, I don't nothing. So I'm pretty sure the engine just swallows it up, sends it on out the exhaust, you know what I'm saying, unfortunately. But yeah, also, this is not permanent solution. Back in the middle of December, I purchased a fan shroud and a coolant adapter so I could have an idea of, I could put the coolant temperature sensors in there and shit, so I could have a better idea of what the temperatures of the engine are running, you know what I'm saying? But the problem is that, yeah, it's December and a half when I ordered it and I still don't have my fan shroud or my coolant adapter. So, yeah, that's impressive. That's really impressive considering it was only supposed to be like a 4-week lead time. And it sucks because that kind of keeps me from ordering the fans, which the fan setup is gonna be really expensive just to make sure that this fucking you know, fucking cast iron RB doesn't fucking overheat and shit. You know what I'm saying? So it's a twin, I think 12-inch spow fan setup, but they're like competition series. So I have to buy like a gangster harness for it and relays and all that shit. And then I need the coolant adapter so I can let it read the temperature of that, so that way they would kick on automatically. You know what I'm saying? Or also have it on a switch, but having it on a switch is retarded. You know what I'm saying? Trying to get that shit on by itself. You feel me? What else? Yeah, I forgot what else I did. So anyways, it's like so much shit going on. Like, I'm in the middle of the next project already on the car, and I forget like what I've done, what part of the video is going on and shit. But yeah, soon I'm gonna do the injectors. That way I don't have this bullshit here. Hold on, here you go. That way I don't have this anymore. You know what I'm saying? Because like it works obviously, but this isn't the right shit. So I'm gonna try to depin these and then just solder these together so they all work. But more than likely I'm gonna have to just cut the plug off and just solder these in. It's unfortunate because those injector connectors are supposed to be plug and play, and they would be if the RB side was the same. No, that's what it was. It was the pin width was spread different, so that way, you know, it didn't end up working. But it's tight though because like the car is coming more together. I do plan on putting some kind of wheel well back in this car at some point, but not anytime soon, obviously. But whenever this motor comes back out, I'm gonna redo the bay all over again, because now that I've had more experience with everything else, I can do it better. And I'm gonna put tubs in here and maybe I thought about putting like a roll bar piece in here that runs like this and then down, although I mean kind of probably be an issue, but I think it'll be tight in the long run for the engine bay. Add a little strength, add a little support, add some cool visuals to it. Maybe put a, God, what do you call them shits? The dimple dye plates on there and shit too. I don't know. That's not anytime soon, so I'm not super concerned about it, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, we got some more things coming. R32 shit. I've been slowly ordering parts for the green S13 because that car, I don't want it to be a sitter anymore. So even though I wanted to get that car more money involved in that, there's actually a lot of work for this that I can do that doesn't really cost me much. You know what I'm saying? So stay sucker free. Catch up on the next video. I promise. Doing everything I can to keep them coming. This car's cost me a lot of money. I'm still in debt for the R32 right now, which sucks because like other cars need some serious cash flowing into it. Like to be realistic, the R32 could use 10 to 15 grand. The black car could use 10 grand. My silver GTR could use about 10, 15 grand. The green S13 could use about 10 grand. Like there's a lot of money I need to put in a lot of these cars and I don't have it. Shit, the lowrider needs 10 grand in that thing. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, everything gonna happen. Oh yeah, by the way, see this right here? Yeah, it might turn into a drift cart later. I don't know yet, but we'll see. So stay sucker free and stay motherfucking tuned.
Cash out if I want it. The money got blood all on it. The money got blood all on it. Yeah, the money got blood all on it. Bad bitch with me on it. The nigga wanna beat me, don't it? But the money got blood.